In today's video, I want to show you how to speak faster and sound more French. Now, this is more for advanced students, but really anyone can benefit because it's a bit of fun. So what you need to remember is when you want to sound more French, you shorten everything. You clip vowel sounds whenever possible. You remove the ne from the negative, and you link words together. So let's have a look at examples. I've actually made a list of the most commonly shortened words and expressions. So I'm giving you the short version, what it actually is normally, and an example. So the first one, you probably already know if you've watched another one of my videos. Je sais pas. It's actually short for je ne sais pas. Je sais pas. And you can use that in everyday life, it's fine. I probably wouldn't use it in a formal setting, but for if you speak to friends or anything, it's always je sais pas. T'as de la, love this one. Tu as de la becomes t'as de la. So if you want to ask someone, tu as de la monnaie, you would say t'as de la monnaie. T'as de la monnaie, much easier to pronounce as well, and it actually means, do you have any change? Number 3, ya, one of my favorite. Ya is short for il y a. So if you want to say il y a 3 enfants, you would say y a 3 enfants. Y a 3 enfants. There's 3 children. The negative of that is y a pas. Il n'y a pas. So if you want to say there's not many people here, you would say y a pas foule ici. Y a pas foule ici. It's actually a set expression as well, so it's quite handy for you to learn. The next one, t'es instead of tu es. So if you want to ask someone, are you sure? Instead of saying tu es sûr, you would say t'es sûr? And that doesn't work if you say vous. You're stuck. You still have to say vous êtes sûr. So it's only for familiar language, really. T'as pas, short for tu n'as pas. The example here, t'as pas 1 euro? T'as pas 1 euro, which is short for tu n'as pas 1 euro, which actually means, do you have a euro? And it's a negative question, which we like to do a lot in French. We like to ask negative questions, and it's a way of asking, do you have a euro to lend me? That's what it actually means. This one's a bit easier. Instead of saying le, you say l. So instead of saying je n'ai pas le temps for I haven't got the time, you say j'ai pas le temps. So you'd say j'ai pas instead of je n'ai pas because you've clipped the negative, and then j'ai pas le temps. It's actually a lot faster than j'ai pas le temps. Same reason we said de instead of de. So tout de suite, which means straight away, becomes tout de suite. And you hear a kind of D or T in the middle, you're not sure, it's very fast. Tout de suite. Now our last two are il faut, or just faut, for il faut, which means it is necessary to, or one has to, or I have to, or we have to. It's not really specified who it applies to, but usually you'll know from the context. So il faut partir could be we must leave or I must leave, and becomes il faut partir. You don't hear the le anymore. Il faut partir. So the negative of that, il faut pas, or just faut pas, short for il ne faut pas. It is not necessary to. So il ne faut pas dire ça, you mustn't say that, becomes il faut pas dire ça. Il faut pas dire ça. You can hear how much better that flows when you say it fast like that. I hope this video was useful. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt!